Today I'm going to be doing a competition between the Pyle Clean robot sweeper and the iRobot 670. So the Pyle Clean is a sweeper, but not a vacuum. It does best on hard floors, like I'm doing this competition on, and you can run it for either 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or max. Which okay. And now I'm going to show you the iRobot 670, and it has a iRobot app, so instead of pressing the clean from the vacuum, you can press it from the app. Unlike this one, it cleans carpets and hard floors. And you have to clean the filter once a week or twice a week. Twice a week if you have pets. So that's pretty much that's it for these two. So now let's get into some mess. I have some oats, some flour, and some paper. I'm gonna sprinkle it all. I'm gonna sprinkle the paper first. I'm going to put it under the furniture. I'm going to transfer both to get under by doing all 4 chairs. Now I'm just going to sprinkle this. On the floor. It was mainly on here. Okay, I'm just going to pause the video and get this all on the floor. So I have the oats and flour here. I want to make a trail of the whole room with it. Well, that didn't turn out to do what I wanted. But anyways, oh well, I might as well just deal with it. So, put that back there. So now, I'm going to start the video. So I have my 2 vacuums there. And I got the iRobot app. And that turned on the robot vacuum, this one. I have to turn on this one with my hands. I can set down here. So, I'm gonna turn on this one in advance because this one would start moving sooner than this one. So this one goes in advance. got under here. Not the Roomba. It was there used to be like half a pile right here. It was the one that got most of it, but it just did better than the both. So, and it was a 10-minute long thing. I need to turn off my Roomba. There. Now I'm just going to I'm just going to pause the video and get my scale, and then we'll see which one won. So now I got my scale ready. So now this will also teach you how to empty these two vacuums. To empty this one, you just press this button and pull out the bin. That's what it picked up. So now I'm just going to open this up and dump in everything. Now I'm up. So now I'm just going to close that. I'm going to pause the video and put all the stuff back in to make it fair. So this picked up the iRobot 670 picked up 4.4 ounces. So so now I'm going to put this in the trash real quick. It's going to take long. And dump these paper shreds off. And then so now I'm just going to quickly go get this vacuum and see what it picked up. So going to, whoops, it's easy to turn this on. It's gotta turn. It off? Yep. Making sure it's off. So there we go. Yeah. Oh. So I'm gonna pause the video and dump this into the container. Well, I'm not surprised. Well, I'm kind of surprised because it looks like, and this one is the sweeper is 0.3 ounces, which surprises me because, watching it, it looked like this one did better because it's the one that went under the chair and everything. So that one picked up 0.4 ounces. This one only picked up 0.3. So that means that one won. So that means the Roomba won. I'm just going to put down a little winning robot vacuum mess. So I gave it a little surprise mess. So I'm going to run it across the surprise mess because it won. Because it just won by a ounce, I'm just gonna give this a little test to just pick up what it do. Oh yeah, I gotta turn it on first. that's all it gets. So there's the comparison of the iRobot 670 and the Pyle Pure Clean Robot Sweeper. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.